Good morning, real big mamas and real big daddies and Better Baby Business Bureau all around the world. I've already put a prayer in for the people of Turkey and people of Syria. These are our sisters and brothers. I hope that this earthquake was not of man, was not man-made. Because what's going on with NATO and what's going on with this clown administration and the globalists? These are our sisters and brothers. I hope it was a natural disaster and not of man. Mrs. J.R.D. Nicholson, the Better Baby Business Bureau.